Good morning, I'm okay, baby. Me, how you do? Sorry, you're fine, gone.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ella and hi. So today's gist is about how I can grow this bad girl hair as quick as I can. The target here is 2 weeks, yeah? I'd seen online where you can actually use rice water apparently to grow your hair in as quick as 2 weeks, guys. Imagine. So I'm going to be your guinea pig, scapegoat, whatever, and I would show you how apparently you can use rice water to grow your hair. If my hair doesn't grow back, no, if you don't see this video, then obviously no, my hair didn't grow back. Okay, so it doesn't really matter the rice you use. You're supposed to put just a small quantity of rice, if you can see, in a bowl, and this is what it's meant to look like. So this rice, I just poured a handful in here and put the same amount of water, and then obviously I put some you can put anything, lemon. I just put some orange peel to kill the smell, because you're meant to leave it overnight, and now it just smells like orange water. But yeah, so I'm supposed to use this water here to wash my hair once a week, but I'll do mine twice a week because my hair is really short and I'm desperate to see results. I'm also using this Shea butter that I bought. Shea butter is really good. I like it on my skin anyways, but I'm using it for my hair as well, so hopefully it grows quicker. I'll be using this at least twice a day and massage it into my scalp just to quicken the whole growth. So yeah, next video I'll show you how I use this to wash my hair, and then obviously in 2 weeks time I'll show you what my hair looks like. Right guys, so another thing I got experimenting during the whole lockdown was my own DIY wax. And this should be another video because I need to try this and make sure that it does actually pull out all my hair, but I tested it yesterday and it looked really good. In 2 weeks time, I hope this comb wouldn't fit in my hair. 2 to 3 weeks, I would say, after using this rice water. So let's go wash my hair, and in 2 weeks I'll see you again. Right guys, so I poured the rice water into this because I thought it was easier to just spray it on my hair and massage it into my hair, and then obviously you just wash or shampoo your hair as normal. Hi guys, so I'm back. It's 2 weeks after that video and this is my hair. I think it's actually really grown. What did I use? Same with what I said to you before. Still using my rice water. I still have a lot left because my hair is short, so I just spray a few bits in it and it's fine. But if you have a long or full natural hair, you might actually go through the rice water quicker than I did. The only thing I didn't show you guys was I also started using this coconut oil strong root spray, and I started using this Dax quality hair pomade, which I thought was really good. I normally use coconut oil and spray my roots, and then I go in with this Dax pomade. It's not as thick as this, so I prefer to use this the days I don't wash my hair. But then when I wash my hair with the rice water, I use the shea butter only in it because my hair becomes soft already. The last time I showed you this comb and I said I hoped that it wouldn't go through my hair, which as you can see, my hair has sort of like grown past this comb. It's too small in the last 2 weeks. So now I graduated to this one. And I used this smaller side for the side because if you noticed in my last few videos, I had like my bald patch here was so visible, but it's all gone now. Well, it's going. It's becoming more hairy. You can see it. Look, I can see that bit there, but with here I can't see the comb, so it's quite a lot fuller. What I don't actually know is if this rice water actually grew my hair this much in length and thickness over 2 weeks, or if my hair just naturally grew in 2 weeks as it should. Now if you want to get a better result or be sure of your result, if your hair is a lot longer than mine, you can actually, like when you use your rice water and wash your hair, you could actually put your hair in cornrows, and then you can tell from the undergrowth. I think the rice water actually helped alongside with products that I use, but whether or not my hair would have grown this much without using that rice water, I couldn't tell you. But yeah, you'll try it. Hopefully it works for you. Let me know what your results are. So if you liked this video and you'd like to see more hacks on either how to grow your hair or any other hacks that you'd like, you can just comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see, and let me know if you liked the video as well, so I can do similar videos for you. Not like I'm experimenting with my hair all the time, but yeah, you get the gist. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.